Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to import Canva into Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, open your Canva design. Okay, after opening it, go over here on top right corner and click on Share. Now click on Download. Okay, click on this drop down arrow and select PPTX, Microsoft PowerPoint document. Select this and click on Download. It will take a few moments to download. Now it is downloaded. Go on Google Slides. Click over here on top left corner and click on File. Now click on Open, or you can also just press Ctrl plus O. Over here on Upload, click on Browse and open your Microsoft file. It will take a few moments to upload. Now, as you can see, your Canva design is imported to Google Slides. So that's it for the video. That's how you can import Canva to Slides. Thanks for watching.